Thank you very much for joining Super 24 TV. Mamenchia na memo wakwaba mra Super 24 TV on YouTube. Eba sports wa Ghana. The sports capital of Ghana, Kumasi, without slight shake of doubt. Echini bien ni home. Ope kura wa Ghana consume sports content pa radio so Kumasi, Asante region. Yes. Enuntina Oba Ghana sports presenters kukudan for pan Kumasi eno na there is a trend that it because of say Kumasi epe sports no enye say sports no mani je ho keke, but it is because of the fact say one of the greatest football clubs is situated Asante Kumasi, and we talk about Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Obi beka say Tamana Kotoko ye one of the greatest no. Sambre ne twam say Kotoko omuntimi encommande that Africa, but say omuntimi commande. The fact is Kotoko has been one of the greatest before. Inti no untimi take away from Kotoko. Those days Malek Jabel mo Safu Jamfemo, even though say N4 no mo born no mo Africa or mo impact papa bia, but the main reason in Kumasi pes sports titire no ye Kumasi Asante Kotoko na wa ha no eno no fact. Nti Super 24 TV observation bi about at the current year the true Kumasi Asante Kotoko fans or the true Kumasiniano Kumasi for mo pe omo Kotoko no opek ne Kotoko no chen MPP. Yes, and maybe chiro at the current year because politics no ntrone dawso, and politics no say nipa ni bia na bi politics no it doesn't add up to ono nipa ni bia nti na koma ni bia nim biom nti ebeye ne Kotoko ne Chelsea edura no pa Super 24 TV and anopa ye this observation anopa obon say politics for no stations sports wo kroma no heavy for no omu nyina omo ye politics anopa ne dura no pa na monitor omo politics na ya na areho omo live views on Facebook no 17 ebi de 26 ebi de 56 obi de just the 80 pa akwa ye 60 and now so omo big interview go abonza shoot to call 120 eno ano no e di entia e say nipa eni nje politics no ho, but man 9:30 ne mo na sports for no nhyase at the current time page for the screen so e ba sports Jola ka Sometymer bright kan boadu mo omo na omo de awokroma na mranu nya so 9:30 na bonze views no shoot 1k 1.5k. It tells you how interested Kumasi for in sports, especially omo Kotoko matters, even though say in the foreign league I'm interest na say shoot but Kotoko no esa a play factor. This is small observation at Super 24 TV. I don't know whether you agree and I say you have a different school of thought. You can leave your comments in the comment section. Na ya vibe oho. Meda wasi bebre.